Haba kilat iohkam iohjam kila syngit briew ka thain Sohra, khamtam na ka jingsangeh trei ka karkahana sain dewbilat Mawmluh Cherra Cement Limited MCCL, mentala bunbun snem longiing longsem thain Sohra, kila mat ka jingtyrkhong bat jinghiran trei ktah bat ka kamai kajih. Hakani ka por bakhim khat ka iohkam laban set up kamon bajuan bat ka trei shitom ban iohjam na la ka jong ko umsep. Haka at punya dari unai lur Sohra lami Bharthiya ka Kynhun ban Aiwai Baisikel cycles on hire balatip kerteng kum ka Shanghai Khlieh Shnong Sohra rengkat ka trei lang bat ka Bharthiya Vikas Trust. Ya ka Kynhun Shanghai layarap ru daka Sauramandala Foundation and PRIME-Sauramandala Rural Entrepreneurship Fellowship PSREF. Dakini ki Baisikel balashu Aiwai kinongwan suwari sya Sohra ki laban Shanghai sya dan thlen no kalikai light kanso Khoh Ramhah no snithiang bat syakiwi jaka ba ithiang ka thain Sohra. Kini ki Baisikel kilong ki ba klan ban kiu ya ki thep hakani ka thain.
From the PRIME team, the local groups here. A very good morning to you all. So today is World Tourism Day. All of us know that, right? So it's good to be here. It's good to be here in Sohra area and to be starting this wonderful project, which is e-bikes and bike tourism around this beautiful place Cherrapunji, which is the #1 tourist attraction that we have in the state. In fact, we just came from a hike of the David Scott Trail. So we were interacting with the entire community, people there, both in Mawmluh and Lad Mawmluh. The simple message, I don't want to keep it too long, is that Meghalaya, all of us know, I keep saying this, is that tourism is probably the #1 employment generator, growth generator. The thing that we have to remember is that we'll have to do this in a systematic way, because we have been building tourism up. Suddenly COVID came, we lost 2 years, and 22 we are kind of getting back. But now I think it's very important for us to kind of do whatever we are doing in a systematic way, in a way that is sustainable, in a way that promotes what we call high value tourism, tourists who stay here, tourists who spend money here, tourists who are there for the local experience. So what I was telling people there is that let us create good experiences, let people stay here, let us charge more money. So we'll have to, it just can't be about charging more money. If you're charging more money, we should create a good experience. So we should have very well trained guides, we should be able to take care of them nicely, as our Honorable CM keeps saying, a wonderful smile, being able to talk to people, engage with people. So training goes a long way. So we will do all these things, we'll support the communities as we do, and we have a wonderful model of communitarian tourism and tourism driven by both cooperatives and individual entrepreneurs. So we'll continue to invest on these models. We'll continue to, from the government side, do big infrastructure, support smaller projects, support community-oriented projects, so that our dream of having Meghalaya as one of the best tourist destinations in the country, but where we give the best experience, but people also should be willing to pay for that experience. So that is how money comes into the economy. That is how livelihoods and lives are improved. So we work on that model. In fact, continuing from today, so today is the World Tourism Day, I think we are doing a Responsible Tourism Award.